Good morning, everyone. We have some breaking news coming into our newsroom here at the Riley King Network. Let's begin with this breaking news right now. Supreme Court apparently to overturn Roe. Draft opinion shows report. An apparent draft Supreme Court opinion obtained by Political shows the panel's conservative majority of justices is ready to overturn nearly 50 years of established abortion rights presented since Roe versus Wade. The document, which Politico said it obtained from a person familiar with the court's proceedings, is marked first draft and dated February 10th, 2022, 2 months after oral arguments were heard in the case Dobbs versus Jackson Women's Health Organization. ABC News has not independently confirmed the draft. Roe was egregiously wrong from the start, writes Justice Samuel Alito. The opinion's apparent author in a copy of the draft posted online. The leak is an extraordinary breach of Supreme Court protocol and tradition. Never before has such a consequential draft opinion been leaked to the public before publication. Reached by ABC News, a Supreme Court spokeswoman declined to comment. The Dobbs case involves Mississippi's ban on abortion after 15 weeks of pregnancy, well before fetal viability. The long-standing divided line established by the court before which states cannot restrict a woman's access to the procedure. During arguments in December, 5 of the justices hinted that they were ready to do away with the viability standard established by Roe and a subsequent 1992 decision, Planned Parenthood versus Casey. An unnamed source familiar with the deliberations told Political that Justice Alito, Clarence Thomas, Neil Garcia, and Brett Kavanaugh and Amy Coney all initially supported a ruling siding with Mississippi. That lineup remained unchanged as of this week. The drafting of Supreme Court opinions, however, is a fluid and dynamic process. Sources familiar with the internal operations have told ABC News the document posted suggests a majority of the justices is likely to side with Mississippi, but how broad a ruling will ultimately come down remains unclear. Chief Justice John Roberts famously changed his vote late during deliberations over the Affordable Care Act in 2012, narrowly saving the law from being struck down. A Wall Street Journal editorial this month suggests that Roberts, who reverses established precedent and the court's reputation, may be trying to convince one of his conservative colleagues to join him in a narrow opinion. If Alito's opinion were to hold As written, it would dramatically upend abortion rights across America, effectively allowing each state to set its own policy. The Constitution does not prohibit the citizen of each state from regulating or prohibiting abortion. The draft concludes. Roe and Casey argued that authority. We now overrule those decisions and return that authority to the people and their elected representatives. This is a developing story. Stay with the Riley King Network on more of this as more information becomes available. Thank you for watching this breaking news report. Goodbye.